Hey Pioneers, Miss Ham here. I hope that everybody is having a great start to the week as we enter in another week of virtual learning. Just a few reminders for ELA this week. We will be continuing our personalized pathways. Please be sure that as you guys are deciding which pathway you want to complete, that you are submitting the student voice and choice form that is attached to this assignment. What that does is that gives you an option to review the different pathways that are available and then select the one that fits best for you. After you have submitted that form, then I will respond by giving you access to the selected pathway through Google Classroom. If you selected a pathway last week, you are automatically looped into the new pathway for this week. If you don't want to remain in that pathway, just shoot me a message and let me know, and I'll be glad to change that pathway for you. This week, the options are very similar to what they were last week. You have a GRIT pathway looking at informational text. You have a Do Good From Home pathway looking at becoming an ambassador as you are a leader in our community. You have an opportunity for social emotional learning as you compete in the Pioneer Games, and then you also have an opportunity to design your own learning. So what I'm going to do real quick is give you just a short snapshot of what is going to be happening in these pathways, and then you guys can get started working. So for the GRIT pathway this week, you guys are going to be working on an escape room called One Way Ticket to Mars. There's going to be multiple opportunities that are going to be a part of this learning experience. You may work independently or you may work with a group. Just be sure that you fill out this form and it will tell you when your codes are correct. I'm really excited to hear what you guys learn as you guys work through these challenges. For option number 2, this is the Design for Change pathway. What you're going to do is develop empathy for others as you connect, interview, and share by creating your own podcast. The basis of this work is based around the 17 sustainability goals. You're going to review a couple of podcasts that were created by Design for Change. You're going to look at how to create a podcast. Then you're going to decide which sustainability goal you're most connected to. And then you're going to research, interview, and outline as you then create and share your podcast. The next pathway that you have to choose is your social emotional learning. Okay, Pioneer Games 2020 will help you this week identify your inner strength as you create and design Olympic Games, as you compete with your family, and as you play bingo together. This is a great opportunity for you to connect with your fellow pioneers while still learning and pushing yourself. And then option number 4 is going to be an option for you to design learning for yourself. This is a perfect way for you to dig deep into learning as you identify things that you're passionate about. Just be sure to email me with your idea, and then we will design together the next steps for your learning. I really hope that these personalized pathways are exciting for you and offer you many opportunities to learn this week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out through email, text, phone call, whatever works best for you. I'm proud of you guys and the diligence that you guys have as you have been focused on learning through this adversity, and I really miss you guys. I will talk to you soon.